From a highway collision on a snowy winter night, and an oblivious driver who merged right into a semi-truck, to a group of teens who flipped their car while running from the police, and much more. Here are intense moments caught on Dashcam. There's a reason why you don't speed on snow.
Still affect us, right?
Right.
All right, so let's pull away from here. So let's shift the drive. That's the gas. You want to be on the brake? Yep. What the hell happened there?
Use the right two lanes to take exit 261 to merge onto I-4 to exit Orlando.
Excuse me, Mr. Truck Driver, but I can't miss this exit, even if I cause an accident. Four-way streets can be somewhat tricky. Watch what happens in this clip.
Because, like, you win more in Vegas. Like,
Do you really?
I normally do, so last time I went to Vegas, I went with my partner of 8
Holy
years.
shit! I gotta go. There was a wreck right fucking in front of me. Like, fuck.
Okay, bye.
And that isn't pending an investigation. That's already in place.
Such a wild request,
It's
too.
really
Retraining,
pushing-
just even the way they phrase
Oh my
it.
God,
So
really?
bizarre. So Orwellian.
Yeah, well,
One thing about rural back roads is you never know what's hiding in the woods. Yield or not yield? That is the question.
Over some astrophage-filled cooling bins or something. Clever, I say. Thank. You leave now. I make large airlock for tunnel. Yes, 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 I say. I collect all my belongings in the tunnel, including the mattress, clamp, wall.
insane!
The driver doesn't know how this happened. We will probably never know either.
I hate this. Are you good? No, I'm scared. Okay. Where are we?
Oh, it's definitely a compliment. Yeah, thank you. All right. Well, Wendy, thanks so much for being with us this morning, and congratulations on the promotion again. Check it out. If you want to be a Buffalo firefighter, it is the last day to sign up. Fanatic fan, that's Wendy Matika Herman joining us live. WB.
Remember what they taught us in driver's ed about checking your blind spot? This guy doesn't.
Okay, Presto. Do you even look? Do you even look? Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Get off your phone.
What in the world?
You know what?
This person probably saw their entire life flash before their eyes.
Driving the
is back on the radio right
Okay,
now.
Presto.
25 to the top of the hour, 800-941. Sean, you want to be part of the program?
We can't really see the moment of the crash, but the aftermath is very well documented.
And just got that on camera.
Speed camera reported ahead.
Clear right.
Doors outbound spray, come with it.
There's southbound on Spring.
Alright, it slows down in the intersection. Stand by. Pit, yeah, just on the car, stand by.
Crash into vehicle on Magnolia Boulevard West, 43rd West. Overturned vehicle. Send fire, please.
Magnolia Boulevard West, 43rd West.
Stop right there, buddy! Stop right there! I will shoot you!
Finger 1 time.
Well, 1050, 1050. Start 1052. 14.0.
Just right now, diapers. Stand there right now, diapers.
Oh shit. Back up, back up.
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.